let me show you how to make the best air fryer brownies. These air fryer brownies are not just quick and easy to make, but they are truly some of the best brownies I have ever made. The middle is soft and gooey, the edges are crispy, and they taste seriously good. To make these air fryer brownies, take 45 grams of dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate and 40 grams of butter. Melt them together in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then give it a good stir. If there are still a few lumps, pop it back in for another 10 to 15 seconds and keep stirring until the chocolate and butter are smooth and fully combined. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Make sure to use room temperature eggs as they mix better and help create a smoother batter. Then, add 75 grams of sugar. Regular granulated sugar works perfectly here. Then whisk it really well until the eggs and sugar are fully combined and the mixture turns slightly fluffy. Next, pour the melted chocolate into the bowl with the egg mixture. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Now, give everything a good mix until the batter looks smooth and glossy, as you can see in the video here. Next, take a sifter and add 40 grams of all-purpose flour and 15 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder for richer, smoother, and chocolatey brownies. Sift them into the bowl with the wet ingredients. Then, give everything a good mix and stir until the batter is smooth, with no dry bits, and has a thick, glossy consistency as you can see here. Next, take a small baking pan that is lined with parchment paper and make sure that it fits inside your air fryer basket. Pour the brownie mixture into the pan, and then spread it out evenly with a spatula to make sure it bakes properly. Now, place the baking pan in your air fryer basket and bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 13 minutes. You will know the brownie is ready when the top turns beautifully glossy with those delicate cracks, the kind that promises gooey, fudgy goodness inside. The edges will firm up slightly, but the center should still be soft and gooey. That is when you know the brownie is just perfect.
Yum!
If you like this easy air fryer brownie recipe, then you should also check out my healthy but super delicious air fryer baked oats video here. I've been making them every morning lately, and they are so good. Check it out now.